Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today again we are with the CPT modifiers video. So this is a continuation of all the CPT modifiers. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it interesting, please do share it with your friends. Okay, today's modifier is modifier 73. Before entering into the video, I'm Dhanya Kamal. I'm a CPC certified trainer working as a training consultant for DV Sahasra Tech Solutions, Dubai, Kerala and Chennai. Okay, so let's enter into the video. So modifier 73. Modifier 73 means discontinued procedure prior to the administration of anesthesia. Like a surgery is planned for the patient. Okay, so before administering the anesthesia, the surgery is being cancelled. So in this case, along with the surgery code, you will add 73 modifier to indicate that this procedure is being planned for the patient, but prior to the anesthesia the procedure is being cancelled. Okay, that is the difference here. So why the procedure is getting cancelled means either because of respiratory distress of the patient, or maybe because of hypoxia, or maybe because of irregular heart rhythm, or maybe because of any issues related to anesthesia, or because of any equipment failure, or if the surgeon himself is facing some issues. Because of that, if the procedure is being cancelled also, along with the procedure code you will be adding 73 modifier. That's it. It is very simple. 73 modifier means before administration of anesthesia the procedure is being cancelled. That's it. Thank you so much. Please don't skip the video. PPT is being added, so you can go through the PPT also, and if you have any doubts, please do put it as a comment, or you can mail me also. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.